Alright, so today I'm going to install a wood stove that I got at my dad's. We are going to put a larger floor protection mat than the one I have here. I got to put the legs on. I bought all the piping that I think I'll need, and I'll tell you it was not cheap. I thought that, oh, I'll just throw a wood stove in, but it is pretty pricey. Just that one tube is $100 and something, and the other one too is another $100, and then there's a cap way over there. It's another $60. So yeah, it gets pretty pricey. So now I need to make it safe. I need to have it safe distance from the walls, which means this is going to be center of attention in this shack, but I really need it as a warming hut for the winter. So here we go. This is the storm collar that goes around the flashing, and I need to add some screws to it to make it fit just right. I've got this extender so that we can support the outside of the piping. Here I have a bracket that's holding the double tubed stove pipe, and then I put flashing around the edges of the raw boards just for extra precaution for the heat. And that is not going anywhere. Very stable, very secure. So now I have to connect the single wall to the double wall. Alright, so I have my single pipe, and I want to position the damper so it's out here on the side, and about what you could have it at various lengths, but right here is pretty good. And now I want to make sure that my pipe feeds one inside the other, so that if any creosote is in the pipe, it's going to drip into this pipe. You don't want it coming out the seams here. So if you have it the other way, the pipe out's upside down, it's going to drip creosote, and you don't want that. And then my last final connector is an adjustable one. And it goes right into the double line. We are almost there. We got the wood stove in, the legs are on. We have the single pipe going up into a double pipe. We have a little extra protection on the frame going out, just to make sure there's no problem with it overheating. And then on the outside, we have double piping and a cap, and we have extenders and the collar